Hello everyone, I've came across a new app that I want to use in the classroom, so I'm going to create this video to show you all how to use it. You're first going to start by going to Google Chrome at the bottom, and you can type in Scribble Together. Now, the thing that I love about this online app is that it can be used through your computer, or you can download an app through your phone, which you can see over here through the Scribble Together whiteboard. Now, we are just going to use it on our computer since that is what we have available. So I'm going to hit Scribble Together right here. Now, if you do not have an account, you need to sign up. And if you do have an account, you need to sign in. So I will just go ahead and sign up. And I will use another email. And I'm going to create and make sure you hit the agree, and I'm going to create an account. Okay, so now I have created an account. If you are um, a student, then you can log on to a class board that your teacher has created. But in order to do that, you have to create a class board. So I have not done that yet, so I'm just going to show you the basics on how to use the program. There's a lot of cool stuff. So you're going to hit create a new whiteboard. Now, when you are here, you can look up here and you can see all of the different cool tools. This button with all the colors is what you will choose to draw with. And then there's different drawing settings. There's a thin, and then there's a thick, and then there's this tool. And if you draw, it does really cool stuff like that. Look how cool that is. You just have to touch the screen. So if you mess up, no big deal. You can always hit the undo button right here. And if you hold your mouse over it, it will say undo. So we will practice. We will put it on this, and we will use the color green. Now I'm going to type my name through the computer. Miss Jaden. Okay. Now, say that I no longer wanted the miss. I just wanted to put Jaden here. Then I could go up here using this laser. Excuse me. And this is another tool. But you can go over here and you can choose the eraser all the way down, and you can erase just like that. So get it all taken care of. Now, another cool thing that I was going through that I liked on this is that you can go over here at what looks like a little picture on the right side, and you can click it, and you can add images to this if you would like, or you can add grid sheets or blank sheets. So we will first add an image, and I will show you what that looks like. So let me go to my photos, and I will pick a random image. So this is my background. And you can do this, and you can actually draw on it. So if I wanted to upload an assignment, you could go and draw on it through here. So see, you can write all kinds of stuff, which I think is just so cool. And then we can hit the undo, and it will take all of it away. Okay. Another cool thing, we'll hit add blank sheet, so it all goes away. It's completely blank. And we will make this one a grid sheet. So you can make it a quadrant, so you can do graphs. You can make it dots. You can make a different kind of dot. You can do lines. You can do this type of grid. You can change it to different colors. So I think that this is a very great tool that we will implement in our math class, and we will begin to do this. And so what you will do to save it is you will just hit save, and you can save it to your computer, or you can cancel it out and you can share this board or go on to the board as a teacher. And that's basically the tutorial on how to use it. It's very versatile, and you just get to log on and have fun with it if I put a problem or something. Thanks for tuning in.